at OutSystems, Eon Technologies, and Solverin's Technology Solutions, who will show how manufacturers are really leveraging AI augmented low code platforms. And why do they do so? This is to rapidly design, develop, and optimize enterprise solutions to deliver cutting delivery timelines from months to weeks, all while maintaining governance and control. Throughout the session, we'll explore real world use cases from AI driven workflow automation to Industry 4.0 integrations and how this technology is helping to modernize legacy systems, a raw nerve for the enterprises, predict production bottlenecks, and bridge the gap between IT and operations. So, without further ado, let me first introduce Mr. Alok Kumar. He is the Manager Rapid Application Development for Oceaneering. And Alok, I would like you to take the floor and open with what Oceaneering does and what's your role and how low code and AI has been deployed at Oceaneering. Thank you so much.
Hey, good evening, everyone. And I hope you will enjoy this evening. And I am Alok, and this is again, and I am Senior Rapid Application Development Manager at Oceaneering. I must know that you must be aware about the Oceaneering International Limited. This is oil and gas company, and we provide the oil and gas services across the world with different product and services, including installations, ROVs, and asset integrity, business, and advanced technology also. I'm basically taking care of all the rapid application development needs for supporting the different business unit and segment across the Oceaneering. Today, I'm going to talk about how the digital technology changing the in manufacturing world and what are the benefits we are getting from that. Along with that, I'm going to explain you one of the use case that how in Oceaneering we converted our traditional legacy system, which is used for the manufacturing and operations, into the OutSystem based solution. As you know that digital technology basically impacting the manufacturing in every aspect. That comprises improving the efficiencies, improving the productivity, reduce time to market, or improving or automation. There are several set of technology available in the digital platform that actually changing somehow the shape of business or manufacturing. Either if I talk about the cloud computing, IoT, or the AI, the Gen AI or Agentic AI, these all impacting your manufacturing process and operations. For example, if I talk about you have a repetitive task and you wanted to make it automated, the technology available called RPA or robotic processes that make your task easier, that also reduce your effort as well as cost along with the errors also. Similarly, you have an option to use several such set of technology to make your industry or manufacturing processes automated such a way that you can serve customer easily, reduce your time, reduce your cost along with that. Low code also performing very crucial role in this entire manufacturing process. I would say that is making your manufacturing process smart enough to capture a daily work that improve your productivity along with your customer satisfaction. So the question is why low code is important in the manufacturing world. As you know that low code is one of the application development framework that is used to develop the applications with the help of visual interfaces, predefined built-in components and interfaces that actually help even non-IT programmer like a citizen developer or KBE, knowledge-based engineer, who actually don't know about the computer background or software knowledge. They only know about the manufacturing processes and system. They can use or leverage this technology and platform and can create their processes, then create their automated process and system by which they can leverage this modernization processes and reduce time to market, reduction of cost, and accelerate the innovations. Along with that, this low code actually helping you to reduce the development cost along with that. Now, there are, yeah,
Can interface, right?
yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, okay, sorry. Okay. So, we actually, there are so many platforms available as a name of low code, no code. Out of these platforms, we evaluated so in depth and found that OutSystem is best suited for oceaneering use case. There are so many features available in the OutSystem that we decided to go with the OutSystem as a low-code platform for our all the modernization processes that comprises whether using the business process automation or the manufacturing process automation. There are so many benefit features. Actually, it's rapid development environment that comprises come with the visual tools and interfaces that make your development so faster that it reduces the developer time along with the cost. This is the one of thing. Along with that, which I personally like it, called extensibility and reusability. This feature I personally admire and like it from the OutSystems time. That actually opened the scope of customization so much, so level in depth that if something is not fulfilled or not available as a pre-built component inside the OutSystem, you can extend with the open supported languages called C# .NET for creating the code component. Along with that, you have option to increase this extensibility inside the JavaScript also and Cordova plugin also user. Reusable component that is such a way that OutSystem allow us to design the application in such a way that is designed one and used many times. That means your existing component which you developed 2 years back can use for the new applications. And due to that, it actually impact your timeline, impact your cost, and innovate your operations. For example, you have created any authentication processes which actually authenticate with the devices or your OIDC component. You developed once 3 years back, and you can still use for the new processes or innovation you are going to do now in these also. Due to this modular approach and availability of reusability capacity, it actually helping that how you can move to the faster approach and deliver something to the market as soon as possible because of customer expectations, customer needs and demand. Other thing is along with this feature, feature that is governance and the scalability is available that allow us to control your environment, whether you need to transfer your telemetry or a log file from your OutSystem cloud to your own cloud, or you need to control your licenses, reusability, everything can be managed. Then we decided to go with the OutSystem because we had a huge use case to modernize our legacy system. We have a long list of legacy system and we wanted to modernize as soon as possible with less time, with less cost. Then we decided to go with this time and we adopted the OutSystem in 2022 after 6 month evaluations of comparison and POC typing. We have a very traditional legacy system for one of the manufacturing process called inventory system. We use this system especially for critical offshore missions operations. Oceaneering, as I mentioned, is deal with the oil and gas. There we need to have a crew member and technician used to go with the sea level and install the rig and the digging operation inside the in-depth of sea level, where we deploy the ROVs and deploy the umbilical, and there we need to make sure that our inventory should be up to date, by which it should not impact the timeline what we given to the customer during the agreement. It should not impact our cost because of delay in 1 day, that means delay of all the crew member who are actually operating on that site and that location. And consider a case of onshore operation in this harsh condition. every day is very important. Every day is considered as a cost-effective day. And increasing day by day, that will increase the cost. But you cannot adjust with the cost. It will only deduct with your revenue what you are getting from the customer if you delay or impacting the project. And legacy system, our inventory system, which was designed long back, it was creating the issues with managing the inventory. And our inventory was so costly that we have almost support more than 80 million to 60 million worth of inventory inside this inventory system. Because of ROVs, Americas, all things need to be deployed. We wanted, along with that, we wanted that a system or platform should capable enough to work in offline mode and give a sense of feeling that, or in such a good, impressive UI that it can be used in the harsh conditions also. Then we started development of this, and in the 4 months of rigorous time span, we make sure that we deliver the production ready app, which is called OMS Invent. This app actually have a capacity to work in the offline mode with native device capability like device-based authentications, along with that barcode-based searching and scanning capability, and store the inventory, and so efficient that its adoption keep increasing. Integration was so easy and we delivered. This app also awarded in CIO 100 in 2024. Then after, with the success of this, we noticed and saw the progress and ROI in terms of this adoptions along with the value it is adding that. It impacted so good that we achieved the accuracy of almost 70% inventory accuracy. That was good enough if you compare with the standard global accuracy standard as per the study, and also increase our cycle count operation by 70%. And this app able to capture inventory, able to manage the inventory worth of $60 million worldwide. We deployed this app across the world, oceaneering in the Gulf of Mexico, Norway, and the Middle East. And its adoption keep increasing. We still maintaining this app and keep adding the value on this app to make it more stable, make it more robust and smart. With the success of this app, we started migrating the almost 17 different legacy and manufacturing apps also. And within 3-year span of time, we successfully converted and migrated almost 19 different manufacturing or the business apps in the OutSystem. In this journey, Mr. Mega Company Event Technology helped a lot to achieve this milestone. And thank you for helping us on this thing. So I hope I must be not boring you guys. And if you have any question, I'm happy to answer.
Yeah, you mentioned about the logo in the it's a low-code based application.
Yes, it's completely pure low-code based application development using the OutSystem.
So no complex.
No. It's, if you say, no hybrid, that is it's the entire development and the code base is established or written inside the OutSystem cloud-based system. And we build is a native platform called Android. I believe Krishna will going to help you on that, explain you what are the technical capability of OutSystem. That is how we can, one code can render on Android and also on the iOS. So this was the OMS Event was the tablet app, which is Android compatible and running on Android 11 as well as 13.
My next question will be just as an academic research.
Yeah. So it's okay. Yeah. So my next question is, maybe I like to have a little bit on the low code application. Means I want to know about a little bit more on the low code, right? So whether the low code can be given as a kind of a platform to the manufacturer. It means they can do some alterations when there is a business complexities changes. Is there anything possibilities there in the low code?
Yeah. Let me give an example of that. I must know that everybody must be using the Excel macro VB based automations. There we have a programming struct that you need to follow, like how to operate or write the loop. There you need to understand the syntax also, right? Here actually what similar kind of experience you are getting with the visuals, drag and drop, pre-built component available. You just need to set the properties instead of writing the code. You just need to set the properties and align with the use predefined template, and that's okay. Okay, so it is less complex than Excel macro. So compare it with the Excel VB macro, and that things will be more easier than here only. And that's actually, it's getting the boom. That is how, in fact, what is happening? I think most of the industry, or even the manufacturer or the quality engineers or the process engineer or the shop floor engineer, they all are using the Excel VB macro. That is a very complex system. If they know this OutSystem or low code thing, it is easy to manage or create their own processes without any IT help support. And that's the things came, the citizen development approach. That is democratizing the development in such a way that non-IT